Wooden cutting board care, the best way to keep it clean and safe. Life hack: neat and tidy, easily clean wooden cutting boards using common household items, unaffected by the dishwasher. Life hack: immediately rinse after usage. Ensure safety by giving wooden cutting boards a pre-wash rinse, but be cautious of contaminating other dishes and avoid submerging the board in soapy water to prevent pathogen transfer and potential damage. Life hack: sanitize using 3% hydrogen peroxide. Apply hydrogen peroxide to the cutting board, distribute it with a clean sponge, let it stand to kill germs, and then wipe it off. Life hack: eliminate stains using coarse salt or baking soda. Dry the cutting board, sprinkle with salt or baking soda, and scrub out stains using a sponge, brush, or half a lemon for added stain lifting power. Life hack: neutralize odors using white vinegar. Combat odors on your cutting board by regularly spritzing it with white vinegar from a spray bottle, and consider adding a squeeze of lemon for a refreshing effect, as vinegar serves as a natural deodorizer and disinfectant. Life hack: disinfect with diluted bleach. For a thorough cleaning, especially after handling raw meat, fish, or poultry, mix 1 teaspoon of bleach with 1 quart of water, spread the solution on the cutting board, let it stand briefly, and then rinse with hot water. Which hack did you like? If you know any good hacks, please share it in the comments.